I'm Jeff Langford with JDL Homes, and I'm here today to talk to you about our foundation wall system. We're in Kitsilano, Vancouver, and we have a standard single-family home on a 33 lot. And what you see is our finished foundation product. Underneath all of that, we have the fast foot bag footing. On top of it, we have the 18-inch by 8-foot Nudura block. And on top of that, we have the Nudura peel and stick product, and then another breathable membrane by Suprema at the top, the gray product on the top, and then of course your standard black dimple mat. And the reason why we do that, the fast foot system is really fast and efficient, and it also eliminates the rising damp coming up into the foundation wall. Being here in Vancouver, the basements are a really important part of the square footage, or the livable square footage of home. And having a nice dry basement is very important to all of our clients. We get more square footage in the basement. Again, being in Vancouver, being on a 33 lot, every single square inch in the home is incredibly important for our homeowners. You can imagine if we can save 2 inches on the exterior walls, that typically adds up to be around 40 square feet of interior space, which you can imagine in the Vancouver market is a substantial sum of money for our clients. So that's one avenue. It's a complete system. So we have damp roofing on the outside, we're screwing drywall to the inside, we're not having to build any additional frost walls, so there's less work there. And then of course we don't have to strip the forms. So a conventional foundation, you'd have plywood forms, which are cumbersome, heavy, difficult, labor intensive to install, but also the exact same to take down as well. They're cumbersome, they're heavy, but essentially in 2 to 3 days you can have what is essentially a finished product that you don't have to come back then and strip out. And of course, by using the Helix, there's no rebar inspection, there's no rebar in the foundation to inspect, so that also saves you a little bit of time. It's another phone call and another day usually, so it's really helpful to get the house up out of the ground. You know, this is something that we are just scratching the surface on, and we're going to be doing for a long time down the road. And if you are interested in learning more about this particular foundation system, you can feel free to look up JDL Homes, or you can phone the good folks at Vancouver ICF.